If you want to learn how to add an image in Evernote quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can insert images into your notes, organize your content better, and make your Evernote pages more useful and visual. This is a great skill whether you're using Evernote for work notes, school notes, project planning, or saving reference images. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Evernote tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign into your account. Once you're inside, create a new note or open an existing note where you want to place the image. This step is important because the image will be added directly into the note you're currently editing. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the image to appear. Evernote will insert the image right at that spot, so it helps to click in the correct location before adding anything. If you want the image near the top of the note, click near the beginning. If you want it under a heading or next to some text, place the cursor there first. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can drag and drop the image directly into the note, or you can use the Insert button in the editor toolbar. To do that, click the Insert Plus button. This opens the Insert menu where you can choose different content types to add to your note. From the menu, search for the File option and click it. This tells Evernote that you want to add something from your computer. Next, browse your device and find the image you want to upload. It could be a screenshot, a photo, a diagram, or any other image file that you want to include in the note. Once you've selected the image, click Open. Evernote will upload the file and insert the image directly into your note. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, it may take a second or two, but once it's done, the image will appear right inside the page. After the image is added, you can resize it or move it around if needed. This is really useful if you want to keep your note neat and easy to read. You can position the image above text, below text, or alongside other content, depending on how you want your note to look. If you're adding multiple images, just repeat the same process for each one. Place your cursor, choose the Insert option, or drag and drop, select the file, and open it. Evernote makes it very easy to build notes that combine text and images in one place. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add an image in Evernote step by step. It's a simple process, but it can make your notes much more helpful and professional looking. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more Evernote tips, tutorials, and productivity walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.